Okay, hi, I'm Richard Smith. I'm here with my son David.
Hello.
And his friends Ammon and Billy. And we're going to give the camera to David first.
Yeah.
We're going to do a review of the Holy Stone HS series HS200D drone. So this one is pretty nice actually. Come down here, let's check it out.
What's in the box?
This. All right. So first we have our drone, of course. Battery is all right there. Okay, just built in. It also has built-in charging, which is an interesting thing. Okay, most of them you got to have a separate charger. So this one, it built-in charging. Okay. Also comes with extra parts. Okay, so we're going to put on our propeller shields here first. Well, we'll get those out. It comes with extras. It's pretty handy. Extra landing gear as well. Okay. Alright. Also comes with extra propellers and screws and all that kind of stuff. And a USB charging cable.
Like you don't have enough of those.
I know, but they say to use this charging cable because it works best. I don't know why. It's best to use that one. Okay, then we have the controller, which feels a little better quality than most, I think. A little heavier, a little sturdier. It's still plastic, but I think it looks good. It also works with your phone too, so we can see first-person video on the phone as we're running it. Okay, so there's a little screw here. We're gonna take this out. I find the easiest way to get this on, well, it takes a while to get the screw out. Okay, the easiest way to get this on, see there's a hole there, and there's a hole here. Put it in that hole, and then swing it around, and it goes right into that one. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezy, yes. All right, now we got to get that screw back in there. Takes a while, sorry. Somebody tell a joke. Three-legged dog walked into a saloon and said, "I'm looking for the man who shot my paw."
Ha 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 ha. Cue laugh track.
Yeah, really. Okay, here we go. Almost done.
So when does a dad joke become a joke? Or when does a joke become a dad joke?
I don't know why. When it has children.
When it becomes apparent. Cue laugh track.
There you go, right. All right, almost there. Almost
Any
there.
jokes?
Okay. All right, so your phone's going to be on here, so I would snug it up really good, make sure that it's plenty sturdy. It's got a little adjustment screw down here, so you can tighten it up, and that's spring loaded, so it holds your phone pretty well. So we'll get to that in a minute. All right, so back to the drone. Ammon has very well put our prop, what are these? Propeller protectors or whatever.
Propeller protectors.
In there, okay? So, also has a camera, which is...
Camera's on camera.
120 degree wide angle, 720p HD Wi-Fi. Okay, so let me get that right. This particular drone also comes in red if you like that color instead. Okay. All right. So what we need to do, we turn on the controller first. Okay, this side controls the up and down and turning. Okay, so if you go this way, it'll turn this direction, up, down. This side controls the throttle. Oh no, sorry, this is forward and backward. This one controls the throttle, and the throttle makes it go up and down, right? So, and these buttons are for trim and other things. Nice thing about this is that it'll do flips, This is the button for your camera. Okay. You can just press the button, it'll do a flip and everything. Make sure you have enough space around it. And it'll also do automatic engine start and landing, which is kind of nice. It also hits 3 modes, so you can choose what mode you got. Beginner, start at speed 1, and then as you get more experience, work your way up. Okay? Alright, so we got the controller on. We'll use the box as our landing pad. Okay, we'll put that on there. Remember, this is the front, right?
Camera's on the front.
Yep. Okay, then we'll turn on the drone. Just press the button, look for little lights, right? Lights would look better in dark, but
yeah,
it'd be harder to do the video in dark. Okay? Alright, then we're going to pull all the way back and then forward, and then we're going to press resync. And then it should stop flashing. No, not doing it.
Work in progress.
Yes, it is. Come on. There, hear the beep?
Hear the beep.
Then we press sync. And notice the lights are no longer blinking. They're blue. Okay. Before they were blinking red.
They were blinking red.
Alright, so now we press engine start landing right there. Starts the engine. And then we'll push this forward. Oh, this one. And there we go. And then, if you want to land,
you get up out of the trees.
Start land button.
You've already hooked it up.
Hang it in the tree.
You can hang it in the tree. This is why we're on the beginner mode. Should take it out to the field.
Yeah, let's do that.
Grab the controller.
Yeah.
Let's make a move. Dun, 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 dun. Da, na, na, na. Ha!
Here we go. Let's try this again. Alright, so we've already synced it.
It's already started up, already synced.
Yep.
We're gonna try to take off again.
This time not hit the tree.
It's really taking off. The sun's right there. Look how far away we are. Tell it to land, and it does it for you.
That's pretty slick.
That is pretty slick.
Alright, so pretty neaterino. Neaterino.
Oh, yeah.
Alright,
Neaterino, like the Pokemon.
What? Okay, so now I'm going to put my phone on it.
We're going to equip up the phone.
And there's a little app. I don't know if you can see it in the sun. A little
Another
app.
way. Turn this way.
Okay.
I got more glare.
Oh, okay. Anyway, all you got to do,
Oh, that's not helping.
load the app, press on the circle in the middle called Enter Device, and then the device via Wi-Fi. Whoops, got to turn on Wi-Fi too.
Oh. They'll connect to Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Via Wi-Fi.
So let's get Wi-Fi on. I don't know if we can see or not.
Not really.
Because of the sunlight.
Sunlight.
So the device has its own Wi-Fi address, and so now, see there?
I don't know if we can see that.
Now we can see us.
It's just reflection. Yeah, just reflection. But it is showing a camera feed from the drone to his phone.
Yeah, to the phone. Okay, we'll go over in the shade again to see what it's doing here.
Yeah. We can stand in the shade and fly it out here in the field.
Yep. snap the phone in, tighten up the little thing here.
You don't want that falling out.
Okay, it's a little breezy today, so we're going to be careful about that. Go back into the shade here so we can see the phone better.
You can actually get a...
So, there it is.
There's some camera and reflection.
Sure enough.
Oh goodness. Trying to get a better angle maybe. So you're seeing both reflection and the camera.
Yeah.
If you take off the camera, this will change.
Yep.
We've got lots of reflection though.
Oh well. Okay, so, but you can see, you can see Ammon over there, looking at the drone. And can you catch him
Behind the reflection.
Can you catch him out there too? Not quite. Oh well. Anyway.
Oh.
But it's there, trust me. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. So, engine start. See if we can trim Ammon's hair for him.
There you can kind of see it.
So that's it. It's a good drone. I recommend it. Go get yourself one on Amazon. Holystone.com. So the Holystone HS200D is a really good, very capable drone. Takes great pictures, and it's pretty easy to use, and I highly recommend it. So thanks for watching.